Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Want to make sure I got all my stuff going here. Well, it looks like I got my house in order. Um, okay, so first, my prayers and uh, thoughts go out to everybody up in the Los Angeles area who's having such a horrendous time with these fires. My best friend, who like literally my brother from another mother, lost his home there, as well as a prior home that he owns that he was renting out, totally down to the slab. So this is all life-changing stuff, guys. It's not like, oh, that's a bummer. Well, you'll rebuild. This is a devastating thing for anybody who's. I've never had to deal with this, fortunately, but it's devastating for anybody who has. I know that, and so please keep everybody in your prayers. And if there's anybody that you know who is suffering in this way, just remember the suffering goes for a long time. So doing something nice for them now is one thing, but my sense is that after a while, people kind of forget and they get on with their lives and they don't think about the fact that their friends or family or whoever it is that they know is still dealing with stuff. So this is a big deal. And anyway, that's all I have to say about that. I know you don't give a damn. You just, dude, tell me if I'm supposed to buy Globus Medical or not. So let's go. So I've been watching this for a while. As our members know, I have this an on deck list. And these are stocks that are really giving me good indications that they're about to take off. I covered these stocks in our strategy session tonight and a couple others as well. But so Globus was on this list. It's been on this for over a week or so, and it's finally popped out. So we're in this stock. I got in it a little bit late, but I don't lie about the entries and stuff. It would have been better to get it a little bit lower here, but I think this works. You look at the weekly chart; it's pretty darn sloppy. However, this is the area that I'm really looking at, is right here. This is a really good. It's a really good cluster here, and I get the sense again that I just think this stock is ready to go. Had a nice little pinch here, holding the 50-day moving average, and this is ready to rock. So we're going to follow this over in the premium section. I hope I'm talking to you and you're in that section. And if you're not, look, here's the thing, man. We're just starting out a new year. Make a little investment in yourself. I'm not going to steer you wrong. I've been doing this. I've been trading for almost 30 years now. And so I think I probably know a thing or two about trading, and I want to help you out. A lot of our members had just banner years last year and the year before. The market was very helpful, so I'm not going to take that credit. Their decision, their money, their profits. But why don't we have you make a good decision here so you could put your money to work and make some really good frickin' profits, okay? So let's make 25 the best year ever, all right? That's it. I'm out of here. I'll see you next time.